Alright, so here is the Opterra 1.2 meter. So let's see what's in the box. So, of course, instruction manuals. Here are the major pieces. You have one wing, spar, second wing, and the fuselage. It's just very small parts, not parts count, not too many different things. Canopies, various canopies. This is for line of sight. As you can see, is no access for cameras. This is the FPV one. It's got a little camera there. Could probably house typical small, maybe regular size, maybe down to micro. I don't know about a mini, we'll see, but let's open up the hatch. So there's the hatch, plenty of space in there for all your different equipment. I went ahead with the plug and play one because I will be using a crossfire system. So I didn't want to get one with a receiver already, since I will pretty much will have no use for it. So I'm going to set it up here real quick, see how it goes, and get ready for the maiden flight soon. Bind plug if you're using Spectrum. And here are the vertical fins. One for the left, one for the right. These are pretty cool. They just snap in. No more quarter turn screws to put in. So it's very, very nice. Instruction manual. One thing that Horizon Hobby and Eflite do very well is they include this handy little chart, which you can find in page 4 of your manual. Gives you a quick reference setup for Spectrum computer radios, anywhere from a DX6 to an IX12. This is one very good reason to own a Spectrum radio. You follow this chart, set all these parameters in your radio. It will take you a couple minutes. It won't take that long. When you go to fly your aircraft, it will be perfectly set up. Your rates will be there, your amount of control surface travel. So when you do your maiden flight, there shouldn't be any surprises. It would be a very smooth maiden flight. Very handy they include this. This right here comes with almost all bind and fly and plug and play systems at Horizon Hobby and Eflite. So once again, very convenient. The manual of course has information, hits, tips, cautions, and pictures for assembling the aircraft. Very easy to assemble. So keep this in a good place. If you lose it or you don't want to carry it with you, you can also download a digital copy online. Very useful information in there. So we're going to do a quick dry fit, put it all together. So take the canopy off and slide the spar through. It's a good idea to take the canopy off so as the spar is going through, you make sure you're not pinching any wires. Slide it about halfway and go ahead and install one of the wings. The wings now come with the servo plug-ins, so you don't need to be plugging in cable. Just slide the wing in, it clicks, and you're good to go. Very easy, very convenient. No more quarter turn screws that'll get lost like the bigger Opterra. Alright, slide that in. Make sure your spar is fully pushed all the way in. Slide the other wing in. Then once that's on, you can go ahead and put the canopy on. Now we're going to take the vertical stabilizers. There's two. There's one for the left, one for the right. So you can see they have a straight part and a curved part. The straight part will always go towards the inside of the aircraft. That'll make it easier to put in. You don't need any special tools, they just click in. So this one is going to go on this side. This one, flat straight part will go inside. That's for this side over here. So just push it in. That's it. Do the other side. Very easy compared to the bigger Opterra with the quarter turn screws. A lot of times you lose those screws and you need them for flight. So not having to use those, not having to use any tools for setting it up, putting it together, very, very convenient. Really like that. So I'm going to go ahead and install the line of sight canopy. Has a flat piece and a kind of like a angled piece there. Make sure the flat piece goes up. And like that it'll line up with the fuselage. And that's it. It's ready to go. So go ahead and set up the radio. Get ready for the maiden flight. See you guys in a bit.